Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Great Lakes Lacquer, Colada Jello, and Maniology MXM031 or 31. This is Colada Jello by Great Lakes Lacquer. My camera is not picking up the stunningness of this polish. Okay, well maybe a little bit. This is a really light yellow and it's insane. It's got blue and green flashes and purple and pink flashes in it. To say I'm in love is an understatement. This is one that I got at the Beauty Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville. There's the first coat. We are going to go in with the second coat. I love the Great Lakes Lacquer brushes. I am a huge fan of this brush. Not too big, not too little, just right. Having me one of those Goldilocks moments. I'll cap that free edge again. Stunning. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. This is a fast dry top coat that you can purchase at Sally's. I'm not sponsored by Sally's or anything. I'm just letting y'all know where I get my stuffs. This is my in-between top coat, you know, when I'm doing nail art and stuff. And here is my swatch photo of Colada Jello. Maniology MXM031. I'll be using my H. La Cosadora scraper and my Monocle stamper. This is clean colors. Purple is metallic purple. And I'll also be using metallic green and metallic pink. And finally, the metallic aqua. These are not stamping polishes, but they do stamp really well. A lot of metallic polishes do. You know, chromy, metallic-y polishes. They just, for some reason, they do stamp well. So I'm going to do like smush stamping. I'm putting dots of the polishes all over the image. And I'm going to try to restrain myself and just scrape once. Once, Tina. There we go. Good girl. And pick that image up and apply it to the nails. And I really wanted this like sail looking look over this polish. And I was trying to pick the colors that I was seeing kind of jump out of the polish at me for the stamping on top. And there's no rhyme or reason with how I do these dots. I'm not like doing them in any kind of real order or design or anything. I'm just trying to get a little bit of each color like all over that plate and all over that image. Okay, one scrape. You see, you guys just, I can't help myself. So here we go. I'll roll that on. Stunning. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning that plate with pure acetone. And here we go with another one. We just bang it along. And I'm telling you, I had a hard time picking which image I wanted to use because I really like all of the images on this plate. It is one of my favorites. Any kind of plate like this just grabs my attention. There we go. I'll roll that image up and then roll it onto the nail. So fun. So fun. Okay, now I'm going to speed this last couple of nails up because you've already seen how I'm doing it. But I figured I'd go ahead and just show you all of me doing all of the nails. And I did speed this up a lot. Grab the wrong brush. Let's get some pink in there. And I just love this type of stamping because each nail looks so different and so pretty. And this really looks like an Easter mani, and I was not shooting for Easter, I promise. I just, you know, I was just going with the polish. And I'm trying to squeeze in using polishes that I got at the Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville because they can't be put away in the Helmers until they've been used. So I've got quite a pile. You guys saw the video, right? Okay, now part of this one did not deliver to the nail, so I'm just going to keep smacking at it until it lands on that nail. And here we go with our usual tape cleanup. Excuse me. And we're going to get this cleaned up here so we can finish this one off. And those are coming up pretty easy. They're not like wanting to stick to my skin really bad, which is nice. I know y'all checking out that hot pink, aren't you? I got a video on it too. There we go with our little cleanup brush, doing our tiny little bit of cleanup there. I am going to top this one with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. We're going to get that to dry down. And then I'm going to finish this one off with Sèche Vite today. I'm going to just try to get through some of the stuff I own. You guys know. I'm going to cap that free edge. There we go. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.